in place. So I've currently got consolidation disabled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into one of my chutes and I'm going to remove those plates, and then I'm going to do the same on one of the other chutes as well using our method. So you click delete on the parts and go through the process of selecting all of your plates like so. I think I've got one down the bottom there. And hit your tick, and Steel Designer Pro will go through and delete all those components. And of course, this is a really bizarre looking chute. We've got a bottleneck. I understand that the design of the chute would more than likely need re-evaluating, but at the moment it was just a concept. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add in all the new plates. So we go plate chute and select all the faces to which we had before and repopulate those faces with new plates. Except that this time, don't select the top one because you want to leave that open, except for this time, all the plate parts that get added will come with drawings. I'm going to stick with 6mm and we'll hit the tick. So now there's going to add all the plates back in again. So the beautiful thing about this is that we get the kind of plate work that we need. If we don't, I'm just going to hide the solid behind so I don't grab that. We can flip the direction to which the plate has been extruded so that we get the right intersection points. Now if I was to select one of those plates and open it up and have a look at its custom properties, you can see now the model type is plates. The description will be overwritten when we consolidate. If we were to open up the plate, there's also a drawing behind it as well, which we need to update. So now we save that one, and I'll go in and I'll update the rest as I go so that I can remove the errors in the tree.